constant thinking and innovation. What's a robot that services the public like? Safe, intelligent, and efficient. The answer is PuduBot. PuduBot is an intelligent delivery robot with excellent safety performance and load efficient. It fulfills each delivery task perfectly. Place the food on the tray and click the table number to start delivery. So easy.
Food is on the way. Wait a minute, please.
PuduBot also identifies the obstacles immediately and responds quickly, no matter how complex the scene is. The premium suspension system ensures the stability of the tray even after an emergency break, ensuring perfect food delivery.
Enjoy your meal. You will see me again if you order more.
Here it is. You may now take your food.
Bye.
Certainly, PuduBot is able to handle multiple delivery tasks. You can find out the status of the robot via your watch. So don't worry that it won't be noticed. Win or lose? How about win-win? They may meet again at the fort, but let's deliver the food first.
Hi, I am working. Please let me pass. Thank you.
The customized voice announcements always informs you of the promotions at the restaurant when the robot is cruising around.
I have many delicious food. Help yourself, please.
This is PuduBot. Safe, intelligent, and efficient. That changes the way of food delivery.